Welcome back to Freelance with Jay. My name is Jay, and this is our AI and freelancing series where I show you how to use powerful AI tools to work faster, earn more, and deliver professional-level results every single time. Today's episode is all about editing and proofreading with AI, the secret weapon that takes your writing from ordinary to exceptional. Before we start, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Let's dive in. No matter the kind of writing you do, scripts, captions, ads, proposals, ebooks, one truth remains: your writing is your brand. You can have great ideas, but if your writing is unclear or filled with small errors, people may judge your professionalism. The good news? AI makes editing and proofreading faster, easier, and more accurate. It helps you clean up your work and present yourself as a polished, serious freelancer. AI editing tools do far more than correct spelling and grammar. They help you clarify your ideas, strengthen your sentence structure, and fine-tune your tone to fit your audience. Whether you want your writing to sound formal, friendly, persuasive, or conversational, AI can guide you and help you produce your best work. Let's begin with Grammarly, the most popular editing assistant online. Grammarly checks your work for grammar, punctuation, clarity issues, and even tone mismatches. It doesn't just say something is wrong, it tells you why and offers better alternatives. This tool alone can improve your writing instantly, especially when you write fast or frequently as a freelancer. Next is Quillbot, your rewriting machine. If your sentence sounds too long, too stiff, or simply doesn't flow, Quillbot rewrites it in a cleaner and more professional way. It's perfect for tightening paragraphs, creating variations, or repurposing content for multiple platforms. Then we have ChatGPT, a more advanced editing assistant. Instead of fixing one sentence at a time, ChatGPT can rewrite entire paragraphs, reorganize ideas, improve transitions, and make your writing flow smoothly. You can even tell it, "Make this more professional, make it friendlier, make it clearer," and watch the magic happen. If your writing feels too heavy or complex, the Hemingway editor is your solution. It highlights sentences that are too long, too difficult, or unnecessarily complicated. The result? Your writing becomes clearer, stronger, and easier to read, just like the work of top-tier editors. Now let's look at the perfect AI-powered editing workflow. Step 1. Draft your content freely. No pressure. Just write. Step 2. Use Grammarly for your first cleanup. Fix obvious grammar and clarity issues. Step 3. Use Quillbot or ChatGPT to rewrite and strengthen key sections. This is where your writing becomes smoother and more professional. Step 4. Use Hemingway for final readability improvements. Shorten long sentences. Remove confusion. Step 5. Proofread manually to add your personal finishing touch. With this workflow, your writing quality will jump instantly. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, comment where you're watching from, and share this video with anyone who wants to upgrade their writing skills. Our next episode is powerful: SEO writing with AI. How to rank higher and land more writing gigs. Don't miss it. See you in the next video.